Here at Sotheran's we continue to explore our vaults, and once again we found treasure. The complete text and plates of John Gould's monograph of the Birds of Paradise. This book is the summation of the great man's work and features some of his most spectacular images. The work was incomplete on Gould's death and was finished by the ornithologist Richard Bowdler Sharpe, who wrote the text. This copy had laid wrapped up and undisturbed since it was printed in the 1890s. We have brought the book and the birds back to life by giving the 79 plates to our expert hand colourist, who has painted each image to Gould's very exact specifications. We have then passed the completed work to Shepherd's the bookbinder, where the book has been put into a very sumptuous Victorian style gilt green leather binding. Gould's Birds of Paradise has been called the last of the fine bird books, and you can see why, with its extravagance and its sumptuousness. They really don't make them like this anymore. Very few people have the skills. Here we give you the opportunity to invest in a very rare modern example of those traditional skills in action.